The notion of adhering to specific rules for a happy family life often falls short. When embarking on the journey of marriage, we are inundated with advice on what to do, when to do it, and what to avoid. However, perhaps it is wiser to resist the temptation to overanalyze and disregard these guidelines altogether. Today, we present a collection of so-called unbreakable laws of family life that can and should be broken. It's time to let go of each and every one of them, embracing the freedom that comes with it. You'll be surprised at how liberating it can be. Number 9. Don't use sex as a way to make up. You might sulk for a long time over a trifling matter, but you can make up in a way you enjoy. The reasons for conflicts and relationships, after all, can appear out of thin air, and this is a good way to let such petty squabbles go. Don't pretend it doesn't do the trick. Number 8. Be a weak woman for your strong man. The urge to occasionally behave like a weak woman for your husband can unintentionally turn into an extreme degree of childish behavior. Remember, you married your partner as an equal. Don't turn into a capricious child, be yourself. Number 7. Never lie to your partner. People who advise you to never lie to your partner probably don't follow this rule themselves. Everyone lies, that's the truth. Keeping silent and leaving things unsaid also counts as lying. Just imagine how much irritation you could both avoid if you don't bring up all the little details when it doesn't help to do so. Number 6. Spend your free time together. Do you want to take a break from each other? Then do it. Spending time together is important, but you should only do so when you want to. Quality is more important here than quantity. Number 5. Find an activity you can do together. There's nothing worse than forcing your partner to share your interests. If he doesn't like going to the theater or to exhibitions, and you have absolutely no interest whatsoever in sport, then both of you should do your own thing separately. That way, both of you will be full of positive emotion, and that will seriously improve the atmosphere at home. Number 4. Don't argue about little things. There's no need to pass over all your grievances and complaints in silence. If you do one day, that particular hand might will go off unexpectedly, and then you'll have a serious conflict. Speak about the thing that you're not happy about straight away. Be honest, and you'll soon learn that many seemingly forbidden subjects can be brought to light without argument and be solved peacefully. Number 3. Kids come first. Parents should, of course, always be there for their children when they need them and care for them as much as they can. However, you shouldn't forget about yourself and your partner when you have kids. Set aside one evening a week, or at the very least once a month, just for each other. Number 2. Turn your life together into a party. Supporting each other shouldn't be a case of jumping through hoops. The most important thing is to feel positive emotions. If you genuinely get a whole lot of pleasure simply out of lounging around on the couch together at the end of a tough week, then no one has the right to condemn you. Number 1. Work on your relationship. Many people take the idea of working on your relationship far too literally. Some couples end up spending a lot of their time having serious conversations about where they're going wrong. Others are too eager to rush off for joint sessions with a relationship counselor. The most important thing you should do during difficult periods in your relationship is to rest. Let go of your problems and avoid creating new ones. That way you won't feel the need to let a third person into your relationship. Do you know other popular rules that all of us should give up right now? Share them in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe to stay on the deep side of life.